Hey guys, it's Quentin and
Marley.
And today we're doing a slime bath
challenge.
and we're doing this for Marley's 7th
Birthday.
So let's get on with the video.
First step was adding the glue.
Get out there. We can win this. Win this. Sorry if I'm moving.
Mom, do you have any scissors?
Before we get further on with the video, do not do this at home without your parents' permission. So we've got all the glue in. Now for the second step,
The dye.
Smiley face, smiley face, oh, smiley, smiley. Oh God, that
That's
looks like
a
we
lot.
killed someone in the bathtub.
Uh-oh, scare.
Mom, now it's time to get messy and stir. Yes, this isn't coming off. This is gonna be epic-ish.
Oh my God.
I've got glue on my nipple. Now time for activator. We're getting help. I should have told you this before, but I really have to pee. Oh, it's on my foot. It's on my toes. It's collecting on my toe jam. Let's sit down, Murray.
What? I'm fine. Ow! My pants are so cold.
Stop.
I have no. Can I have slime? Should I actually sit in? Okay, don't fold it. You don't have to bury me in slime.
It's a score, no.
You butthole! No, don't do it to me. Please, I actually have one.
I can't walk.
Sit down.
Yeah, without a choice.
Hey, remember to subscribe.
Subscribe. Our butts are getting stuck together.
You know she's filming.
It's actually turning to slime.
I'm actually sitting in the tub. This is so sheeny though. I'm like, look at sheeny.
So this is how it's going so far, and quite.
I love that color. It's like in lavender. So this is my first tip. You should, if you're a girl, you should always put up in your hair.
And
it's very messy.
tip number 2, wear clothes that you don't necessarily like. So
I'm weak. What's wrong with that?
no, it's breaking.
I'll do it. Let's do this. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, we got it.
Got it there. Now you can hold on to it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of on like a big cookie. Here. It's like a big cookie. Yeah.
We want to thank you all for all watching all our videos and supporting them.
Yeah.
I love you.
And subscribe because we are now Smurfs and purple Smurfs and
I'm blueberry.
whoa,
that was close.
So guys, this challenge is not as easy as it looks, and it takes a long time to clean up, and yeah. Thanks for watching. We're soon going to post a new video. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, and comment down below happy birthday to Marley.
Yeah.
Bye!